Welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to show you a very special product. You may have heard about the term fan following, but today I'm going to show you a fan that actually follows you. This is the Fanzart Humanoid Pedestal Fan. With its advanced human tracking capability, using the built-in body sensor, it can change its direction of oscillation based on where you move around in the room. Not only that, it can also adjust its wind speed based on the ambient room temperature. It's fully remote controlled and also has an LED display to indicate the settings. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this amazing fan. Open it up. And let's see what we find inside the package. So first we have the user manual along with the remote control, and a battery is included for the remote as well, so that's a good thing. We have the pillar for the pedestal fan, and we have some kind of a clamp. We'll have to look at the instruction manual to see how we use it. Going to remove all the excess packaging material. Next we have the base of the pedestal fan. And last but not the least, we have the main rotating head of the pedestal fan. So that's everything that we have in the box. So let's go ahead and look at how to put this fan together. The first and the most important step towards assembling the product is to go through the instruction manual. The instruction manual includes all the do's and don'ts as well as all the assembly instructions. I've already gone through the instruction manual, so let's go ahead and get started with the assembly. In the first step, we are going to attach the column pillar to the base of the fan. For this, first we need to unscrew the attachment at the bottom of the base pillar. Just rotate it anti-clockwise and unscrew it just like I'm doing in the video. Once you've unscrewed it completely, insert this end of the pillar to the bottom of the base of the fan. Now, turn the base sideways and insert the screw at the bottom of the base so as to secure it tightly. Rotate it clockwise and there we go. Now the pillar is attached to the bottom of the pedestal fan. Next we need to attach the head of the fan. For that, first you want to turn the head to the back. And unscrew the screw that you see right here. Once you've loosened the screw, you can now go ahead and attach the head to the pillar. Carefully lift the head of the fan and place it vertically on the pillar. Turn it around so that you can see the screw at the back. Now using a screwdriver, tighten the screw in place so that the head is firmly attached to the pillar. Let's turn it back around. can lift the remote control holder so that it can be at a good level to hold the remote. And that's pretty much there is to assembling this fan. The fan head is now securely attached to the pillar, and the entire fan is assembled from top to bottom. The last step is to insert the battery in the remote. The battery is already included, so we just need to put it in the remote. To insert the battery, slide out the battery compartment from the back. Insert the battery as shown in the diagram with the positive side facing the back. Slide the battery compartment back in. And your remote is ready for use. Next, we're going to go ahead and look at the operation and features of this fan.